times of miniaturization, the M12 power connector is getting more and more important in the automation area. As alternative to 7-8 inch, these connectors can be used to get on drives, can be used in lighting, or can also supply power to electronic devices. These connectors can supply up to 630 volts DC and also 16 amps. Phoenix Contact offers these connectors in all possible versions like reflow, wave solder, or also as stranded LITS wires. All these products will have a UL approval and will also reach a protection level of IP67.